Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another client makeup tutorial and I'll be showcasing this beautiful black glitter smoky eye. Guys, when I tell you I was so obsessed with this look, I absolutely love the way it came out and I hope you guys learned something from this video and are able to use it on your clients. So let's get right into this video. First, I'm starting off by cleansing her face with my cellular water. This is just a moment where the client really gets to relax and just calm down from the hectic day. Most likely it's like prom or an important event, so it just gives them a chance to kind of calm down. So this is a chance for your clients to just relax and you just ask them questions about their event and what they're doing for the day, okay? But honestly, you want to make sure all the whatever is on their face is off their face. All right, guys, you want a clean canvas for your glam. Next, I took my Amberlease moisturizer and I'm just going to apply that all over her face, a generous amount, and I'm just going to rub it in. I usually rub it in, well, apply it with a brush and then rub it in with my fingers because it just makes it go into the skin better. So that's what I'm doing right here. And guys, if you guys aren't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe down below to my channel. I'm almost at 2K subscribers, so definitely hit that subscribe button when you get a chance. Next, I'm taking my, I think this is my e.l.f. Hydro Grip version primer. I think this is the Jelly Pot primer, actually, the Jelly Pot primer, and it's in the red bottle. And I'm just gonna prime her skin with that. Her skin is pretty regular, so I didn't really have to do any special things with the primer, so I just used that regular primer. And then I also went in with her foundation. For her foundation, I did use a Fit Me Maybelline foundation. I'll try to leave the shade and everything down below for you guys to know. But as you guys can see, it is like slightly darker than her skin tone, which is perfectly okay because I'm going to clean it up with my concealer. So for concealer today, I used a combination of the Born This Way concealer and the e.l.f. Camo concealer. So I just mixed two concealers that I know would definitely be her perfect concealer shade, and I'm applying that underneath her eyes with a paintbrush. And as you guys can see, you guys don't need to put a full big amount of concealer underneath the eyes because it does crease up easily. So the way I placed it is the perfect type of placement for your concealer. And yeah, I'm just applying that on the places that I usually conceal, on the bridge of the nose, forehead, chin area, and all those great places, okay? After I lay down my concealer, I'm just going to start blending it out with a setting brush. This is the Real Technique setting brush. This is perfect for blending out the concealer. So I'm just basically tapping that concealer in and making sure that it's really blended into the skin. And if I see any harsh lines, I go back in with my foundation brush to improve those lines and just make everything just look very smooth and seamless. And as you guys can see, I also transitioned to my powder puff as well. So this triangle powder puff is actually perfect for blending out concealer as well. So I'm just going to use that just to blend out that concealer and make sure everything is nice and smooth. And look at that face, y'all. She is looking so cute already, but we're gonna add some color to her skin. So I went in with a darker foundation and just tried to contour around her chin area, her forehead, and the high cheeks, the high parts of her cheeks, just to bring in a little bit of color because we just need some color with her skin complexion. Like, we really need to work with it and make sure it looks very nice and golden. So I'm just tapping that out with a dense brush. And I'm using that same shade to contour the nose. I'm literally taking a little bit, guys, just a little bit, and contouring out her nose just to give it a little definition. Okay, so right now I'm just adding a pop of a light, very light concealer, and this is just gonna be like her highlight shade. And this is just to really give the eyes like that very highlighted and bright under eye. So I just took a little bit, not too much, and then I'm also gonna add my blush while that's drying down. Blush is like my absolute favorite part. Like, I love liquid blush because it gives you like a nice light little tint and it stays on longer. So liquid blush is definitely the go-to. So I just blended out with a dense brush, and now I'm just blending out the brightening concealer with a triangle puff just to like really get a smooth finish. And then after this is the time to set the face. So I believe I went in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade Honey, and I set underneath her eyes with that, and I also used the powder puff as well to set. After we set the face, I did allow some powder to sit underneath her eyes just to bake for a little bit, and I just head over to the eyebrows. For her eyebrows, I didn't really have to do much because she already has pretty good eyebrows, so I just filled it in just a little bit just to outline it a little bit more before I put my concealer. So I'm just literally adding like hair-like strokes and seeing the areas that I need to really fill in with her eyebrows. Now, using the same concealer that I concealed underneath her eyes the first go round, I'm just going to use those same colors to conceal her under her eyebrows. So I'm just taking a very flat brush, and this is similar to like a paintbrush, and I'm just going to really carve out those eyebrows and make sure they're nice and symmetrical. So I'm just going to carve out the eyebrows. Once I carve out the shape that I like, I just blend it out with a dense eyeshadow brush, and that's really how I get the perfect eyebrow. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna let you guys see because I could probably explain it, but it's better if you guys see it. All right, now onto the eyes, guys. So I just took a nice fluffy eyeshadow brush and I went in with a nice soft brown. And starting off with a brown is what makes the smoky eye really pop, because you want to start with a brown just to bring in all those colors. You don't want to just start with a black and then that's it, you know, guys. So you want to start with a light brown, really blend that out and make sure that it looks flawless, and then take a dark brown and make sure you fill it in the crease area. And what we're doing right here, we're just building the colors. We're building the colors. We don't want to go straight in with black, guys, for a smoky eye, because that's just not how it goes. It's gonna look a little too dark and a little crazy on the eyes. So we really want to build the colors here, okay? So now, as you guys can see, I'm going in with the black now. So now I can pack on my black color to the lid area, and then you just want to play with it, guys. You know, you want to play with it and make sure that it's to your liking. So off camera, I did add the glitter. Actually, I did record it, but for some reason, the clip just would not download for me. Like, I really tried to get this clip, guys, but it just would not download. So I did just add the glitter with some lash glue, and it is a black glitter. Okay, guys. So now I'm just moving on to the lips. I just lined her lips with a nice brown lip, and I feel like this brown looks so perfect on her and so perfect with her skin complexion. And for the actual lipstick, I used a nude lipstick by Morphe, and I think it's in the shade Virgin. I love the Morphe lipsticks, and I'm just using that lip brush just to blend the lip liner with the lipstick and just make sure everything looks very flawless. And obviously I'm gonna add a nice gloss on top to finish it off. And literally, guys, this is the completed look. She looks so beautiful. She was laughing because I posted something on my page that said, ladies, don't rub your lips, but pat your lips, okay? Make sure you pat. So she was just trying so hard to like not rub her lips, and it was hilarious. But yeah, guys, this is the completed look. I sprayed her down with my Morphe setting spray as well as the One Size setting spray. The One Size is great for sealing in the makeup and making sure that it lasts all day. So I love using both of them. But guys, get into this eye. Like, y'all need to get into this eye. This eye look is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh, I was so in love with this look, guys. It came out so gorgeous. I wanted to try to start doing lighter skin models like Hispanic and white, you know, just to show my versatility. So I definitely need more clients like this. She was just so gorgeous, and I absolutely loved having her. And yeah, guys, this is the completed look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.